In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handwrite in Evernote. As digital tools continue to evolve, they often present us with new ways to personalize our note-taking experience. And while typing remains the go-to for many, sometimes your ideas just flow better when you have the freedom to sketch or jot them down by hand. Fortunately, Evernote recognizes this, offering a versatile feature that allows you to combine traditional handwriting with digital convenience. So, let's dive in and explore how you can integrate your handwriting seamlessly into your notes. To begin, you'll want to either open an existing note or create a new one from scratch, depending on what you need. This step sets the stage for all the creative work you're going to do. Once you have your note ready, direct your attention to the editor, where you'll see a blue plus icon. This is a gateway to additional tools, and you'll want to click on that. Once clicked, you'll notice several options drop down, and from these, you should select Sketch. It's a fantastic tool for when you're brimming with creativity or need to quickly note things in a more visual manner than typing allows. Now with Sketch mode active, you'll be introduced to a selection of tools on the left panel, which are quite important for the handwriting experience. Among the options, you'll find a pen and a highlighter. Each has its uses depending on the effect you want to achieve. For bold, clear lines, the pen is your best bet. However, if you're looking to shade or emphasize parts of your handwriting subtly, the highlighter comes in handy. It's much like having a digital art set right at your fingertips. Next, it's time to bring your writing to life. This part is where your personal touch comes in. Whether using a mouse, finger, or a stylus, each works perfectly well, so just use the tool that feels most comfortable to you. If you're on a touchscreen device, you might find your finger or stylus gives you the most natural feel, but a mouse will certainly do the job just fine too. Don't hold back. Draw lines, curves, or anything your note requires. Be as expressive as you need to be. After you've captured your thoughts and sketches, it's crucial to preserve them properly. You'll notice a Done button at the top of the screen. By clicking this, your sketch will be saved as a PNG image within your note. It's a straightforward process that ensures your handwriting is not just captured, but also beautifully integrated into your digital filing system, ready for you to revisit at any time. And there it is. You've successfully added a personal, handwritten touch to your Evernote note. This adaptability is one of Evernote's greatest assets, letting you shift gears between typing and sketching effortlessly. Enjoy exploring this feature as you bring a bit of the analog world into your digital workspace.